Tactics to hack YouTube SEO. When you think of SEO, you probably think of Google. It's easy to understand why. Google is the most powerful search engine, period. But that doesn't mean it's the only search engine. Even though no search engine matches the sheer size of Google, without a doubt Google is a very powerful search engine. YouTube SEO is a bit different from regular SEO, and it might take a little while to get used to YouTube SEO. To help make it easy for you, I've created a list of techniques that will provide you with the visibility you need on YouTube. Number 1. Find video keywords. Before creating a video, you need to do keyword research. With keyword research, you can tell whether or not your keyword will bring traffic to your YouTube video. You can use Ubersuggest to check how many monthly searches those keywords get. Step number 1, enter your keyword and click search. Step number 2, click keyword ideas in the left sidebar. Step number 3, review keyword results. For this particular search, you're given 267 keywords, one of which is the term you searched. Along with a keyword list, there is data for volume, number of searches the keyword gets on Google each month, cost per click, average cost per click for the term on Google Ads, PD, paid difficulty, which is the estimated competition in paid search, SD, search difficulty, which is the estimated competition in organic search. As a general rule of thumb, your selected video keywords should get several hundred monthly searches. For example, if you decide that you want keywords with no less than 800 searches, you can use the filter function to narrow your results. Number 2. Optimize your video title. You want to include your focus keyword in your video title, and you should also solve a problem with your title. When you look at the title of this video, you immediately know what benefits you'll get. To get the most benefit, you should be very clear with your own titles. Number 3. Optimize your tags. Tagging is one of the best SEO features that YouTube provides. Tagging allows you to enter relevant keywords that help your videos get more views. Use tags that are super relevant to your topic. Don't use too many tags. Around 10 to 12 are enough. Number 4. Tell people to comment. If your videos get a lot of comments, that tells YouTube your videos are popular. Just like Google, YouTube prioritizes content that's popular. Comments are one of the metrics YouTube uses to decide what people like the most. It's a good idea to end your video with a question to get a discussion started. Number 5. Encourage people to subscribe. Subscribing is a big deal on YouTube. It's one of the factors YouTube's algorithms use to rank videos. Liking or commenting on a video is a one-time action, but subscribing means that people will see your content on a regular basis. For YouTube, that's a giant factor that reflects the amount of value you provide. Pro tip: many YouTubers ask people to like, comment, and subscribe all at once. However, if you want to prioritize one of those metrics, I would suggest you focus on encouraging subscriptions. Number 6. Share on social media. Here, the concept is simple and probably a bit obvious, but it's an important point. Today, every piece of information that you find on a website can be shared on a social network. YouTube is a social channel. And to maximize YouTube visibility and SEO, you need to share your videos on every social channel available. Share on Facebook. This one's obvious, but I have to include it. One of the first things you should do is to share your video on Facebook. Facebook can drive tons of traffic, especially if you include an engaging description. Here's the important thing to know about YouTube videos on Facebook. According to research from Moz, Facebook may be your best video advertising option. Why is this? It's a simple numbers game. Facebook native videos have more impressions than YouTube videos shared on Facebook. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. I really appreciate my subscribers.